la, la. I'm so bored. Coco, shall we play riddle game?
Sure, bring it on.
You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible?
Are they all married?
Yay! Exactly. Oh, clever. And next one. What is almost in front of you but can't be seen? I guess you don't know this one.
What is that? I don't know.
Haha! What about you, my friend? Do you know the answer? Let me tell you if you don't know.
Tell us, please.
The answer is the future.
Coco's Language Club. Well, from the scene, you can see that saying I don't know is the most straightforward answer to the question you don't know. Especially at the workplace. It can sound a bit unprofessional and it's embarrassing, isn't it? So today, let me help you to remove your worry and stress. So next time, when you find yourself worrying about how to field those unknown questions at the meeting or any circumstances, try to use the following alternative ways of saying, I don't know. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first one, I have no idea. For example, you can say, where is Maggie? I have no idea. Second one, who knows? Who knows is a rhetorical question asked to show that the person asking it neither knows the answer nor knows who might. What does this emoji mean? Who knows? The third one, it's all Greek to me. It means that something is difficult to understand. It's as if the thing we're trying to understand is in another language. Why Greek exactly? I have no idea, but let me tell you one example. My teacher was explaining complicated maths to me, but I didn't get it, and it was all Greek to me. In the workplace, a person who speaks with confidence is likely to be perceived to be competent. Rather than saying, I don't know as a default, it's always nice to prepare yourself with some more powerful responses, isn't it? Alright, let's have a look at the different ways of saying I don't know in the workplace. First one, I can't remember off the top of my head. I will get back to you on that. Second one, that's a really good question and I like to get you the right information and I will get back to you as soon as possible. The third one, you can say, that's very interesting and let me check first. I will find out and talk to you later. The final one, I'm not 100% sure on that, but I will double check and let you know. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I'd love to see how global our community is. See you next time.